welcome to my channel. Those of you that know me as Debs McLeod, and if you don't know me, I'm still Debs McLeod on YouTube. And welcome to summer in Scotland. Check this out. Yep, that's right. This is June weather. Hence why I'm wearing a big jacket. What's that about? So I'm supposed to be vlogging going to the shop, but I can't actually take my phone out much because it's pouring the rain and my phone's going to broke and it's already on its last legs because it won't charge properly. It keeps telling me there's an error every time I try to charge it. So I better put it away and I'll see you when I'm back in the house. Oh crap. Oh my gosh. Baby, I didn't get so I'ma let it down. Oh my, baby, let me love you down. There's so many ways to love you. Baby, I can break you down. There's so many ways to love you. Hello, Debs McLeod on YouTube. That's me. Check it, check it, check it, check it. Watch do something. No, not that. Hang on. Have you guys seen these before? It's Scottish national drink. It's called Irn Bru, this sugar-free version. I don't think America gets Irn Bru. I know that Canada have started selling Irn Bru, or my friend in Canada's just discovered where they sell Irn Bru, and he doesn't like them. He says that it's quite fizzy, but he's not used to like fizzy drinks and sugar and things like that. But it made me wonder who else has ever tried this. If you're not from Scotland, have you tried Irn Bru before? It's a weird flavour. It's orange, but it's not orangeade. It doesn't even taste like orangeade. And it's a very, we call it ginger because it's not just orange, it's ginger juice. It's like the colour of ginger, like that's why it's that kind of orange. And it says on it, a spirit that is as bold as its taste. You can't describe it because there's nothing like it. That's so true, because there isn't another taste that you can compare the taste of Irn Bru. It is our national drink. It has secret recipe, and a few months ago they changed part of the recipe to cut out on some sugar, and everybody went absolutely crazy because it's like, you can't touch or change our national drink. It's been a national drink since hang on, it tells you. It doesn't tell you since. Hang on. If I take one out, that would probably be better. So that's what they look like. And since 1901, there it says there, since 1901, so over 100 years, this has been our national drink, and there really is nothing like it. There really is. It's like, it's got a bit of a ginger taste, like the actual ginger, like ginger. Not just the fact that it's coloured ginger. There is kind of like a spicy, tangy, you just can't describe it, but it's really nice. So I just wanted to show you that. But that's not even what I'm drinking right now. You know what I'm drinking. Can you guess what I'm drinking? Take a wild guess. Always going to drink my Rockstar. So I'm just sitting here. I've done a bit of chores, sang a little bit on SMULE, showing off my Irn Bru, and I'm also reading our national paper, The Sun. Check this story out. This guy has that view from his window, but he decided to pay a fortune for a 10-foot picture of the exact same view for in his house. Why would you do that? And in case you wondered what football team I support, there you go. That's Glasgow Rangers. We're not going to talk about that. Anyways, I'll go just now and I'll see you in a little bit. Wait. Didn't show you my wee guy. Speaking of all things Scottish, check him out. This is Bob. I found Bob and I drew on him, and he's got a wee kilt, and I don't know what he is, but I just thought it would be funny. because I was bored and I wanted to get creative. So this is Bob. I'm off. Bye. You guys. You guys. What?
Really have to say.
Oh, no, that's a bull crap. That is some bull crap right there. No, that is some Debs. You are on my naughty list.
I can't laugh. It hurts my gas bubble if I laugh.
I am gonna leave. I am gonna leave.
Ow.
I am gonna leave, woman.
Ow.
Debs, that is horrible. How dare you do that?
Ow, quit making me laugh.
That is
My gas
unacceptable.
bubble hurts.
Unacceptable.
Hi, Beverly.
No, I can't believe Debs would laugh.
I love it. Hi, Kayla.
Just thought I would do a quick 5 seconds from the lift. Linnell actually stays in the very top floor of the high-rise flat. It's 17 floors up, so I'm in the lift. Look, and I'm wearing shorts, can you see? Takes forever.
Ground floor. Doors are opening.
Just so you guys understand how close I live to Linnell. So Linnell lives all the way up the top there. That's Linnell's flat. It's the car park. And then if I turn you around, that is my flat there. So Linnell's up there and I'm just there, and it's literally not even 30 seconds across the road. Now, I know you can't really see me because it's quite dark, it's quite late, but the weirdest thing I hate about walking over when it's really dark is we have a lot of foxes, and I'm always really scared that a fox is going to dart out in front of me, even though I'll literally stay across the road. And then I just walk up the steps at the side. I'll show you where the foxes live. In there. Don't know if you can see it. There's Linnell's flat there. I've got lots of stairs to climb. But yep, there's Linnell's flat there. And mine is right here. I need to be very quiet because it is a little bit late. Look. I love it. Oh my god. So many stairs. I'll see you when I get in. Oh, that was really close. Excuse me. Just getting, I was at Linnell's. Just wanted to close out because I don't do enough of that. I usually just leave the vlog and I don't say anything. So I just wanted to say a massive thank you if you've watched all the way to the end. Thank you very much. If you haven't already, please hit the like button. It lets me know that I'm doing a good job. And if you also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, you'll see when I go live. I go live maybe once a week for Feel Good Fridays, usually on a Friday night, if not some other point in time during the week I try to go live anyway to say hello to my wee dreamers. So I'm going to go now. It's bedtime, it's really late and I'm really tired and I'm going to yawn. Told you I was really tired. So I'm going to go to bed and I will see you all next time. Thank you very much. And don't forget to comment below, tell me who you are and I'll say hello. Bye bye.